Hey guys, it is time to go to Walmart, do an Ibotta haul using some rebate apps, and get a ton of free stuff and big moneymaker deals. So if you're looking for some freebies this week and you want to complete your Ibotta bonus, definitely stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. Super excited for my Walmart Ibotta haul this week. We're gonna be using a bunch of different rebate apps, and don't worry, it takes 2 seconds to submit your receipt at the end to all of these apps. So we're gonna be getting about $80 worth of products. Final cost is gonna be about $3.50 plus taxes, which is incredible. We're using Ibotta, Shopkick, Swagbucks, you name it. All of those referral codes are gonna be below in the description box. So if you're new to any of the apps, you do get like welcome bonuses for each app that you sign up for as well. So definitely a win-win. And if you're new here, of course, take a second, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell. So when I post new deals and so many freebies that you can take advantage of every single week, you'll be notified and you can take advantage of them as well. There's always a printable breakdown in my haul videos, and I only used 2 coupons from inserts today. Everything else was either no coupons needed or printable coupons that anyone can print. So any of that info is also going to be linked in that printable breakdown. Before we head inside, this video is sponsored by Minty. So I want to show you real quick a little bit about it. So Minty is completely free. See link in the description box and you can get signed up. Of course, I'm gonna pop over to my computer and show you exactly how to install it. It is a browser extension that we're gonna be installing on Chrome on our computer, and that way we can use it for additional discounts and savings when we're shopping online. So let's pop over to my computer so I can show you real quick how it works. So I'm going to be adding this extension to my Chrome. It's completely free to do so. So I wanted to walk you through real quick the steps on how to do it. I'm going to click here, add to Chrome. And of course, my email is already pulled up. Then I'm going to click add extension. So whenever I'm shopping online, it'll notify me and let me know if there's any coupon codes or deals or anything that I can use to help me save even more money. So for example, I popped over to Nike. It is back to school season. So if you guys are doing any clothing shopping, anything like that, or if you just want to grab yourself some Nikes, I just wanted to check this one out as an example. You can see in the upper right-hand corner, there's a little 10 next to the Minty symbol. So if I scroll through, there's tons of different coupon codes that it found online that are available. So you can either copy it or you can submit another coupon. So now I wanted to add something into my cart just to give you guys an example of how it works. And this works with any store you're shopping on online. You can check that Minty symbol and it's going to pop up and let you know if there's any codes that are found. So I'm on the checkout screen. I haven't done anything. I just clicked for my checkout. Then it shows that you can apply coupons. So you're going to click this. It's going to test every single coupon that it found available online, see which one gives you the biggest discount, and then of course that's the one that it's going to apply for you. So it'll only take a couple seconds and you can save a lot of money with this browser extension. Here's another amazing product that you can add. Macy's sells furniture. This dining set right here is like 50% off. So I want to give you guys an example on a big ticket item. So all you have to do is add this to your bag. Now let's go check out and see how it goes using the Minty extension browser. So same thing, it's going to pop up and it found 10 codes online. So let's apply those and look at that. It found a code. The code is SHINE. It's going to save us $203.74. That's why downloading this browser is definitely a must do. I never would have known of this $203 of savings if I didn't have that browser extension. Another cool feature is the price comparison. So when you have Minty downloaded, right now I am on the Best Buy website. So as you can see right here, we have a Honeywell Tower Fan. So it's $69.99. You see right here the little M. It saves you $21. So it's going to compare pricing on different platforms. So it shows that Newegg, if I were to buy it there, it's only $48.99 for the same product. So it shows you right there so you don't wind up buying it at the wrong place. You can save a ton of money from the price comparison tool. So if I were to purchase this instead, all I have to do is then go over to Newegg and I can grab it by clicking on that price tag. Now it brings me right over to Newegg, shows it's the exact same product, and it would wind up saving me a lot of money. So I definitely love that feature. The best thing about using Minty is it's a browser extension, so you're getting the discount immediately. You're not having to pay for something out of pocket and then wait for a rebate or wait for cash back. You're saving the money right away, especially when you're shopping online, which is always a win-win. Now let's get into the haul that we're doing for today. The first deal we're gonna grab is on this single packet ranch seasoning. It's $1.74. This is really good when you put it in burgers. So we're gonna submit this to Ibotta for $1 back. That makes it just 74 cents each, and the limit on this is 5. Okay guys, you know I'm on a seltzer kick, and ever since I saw the ads for these retro summer, they just look so delicious. So I'm gonna grab this 12 pack for $14.98. Submit to Ibotta, 2 rebates pop up. That'll give me $3.10 back. Submit to the Bybe app, B-Y-B-E. You'll get $5 back. Then you can submit to the aisle rebate program and you'll get $5 back as well. That makes this 12 pack that I've been dying to try just $1.88. I'm so excited. I'll let you guys know how I like it on my Instagram. Here's an easy Shopkick deal. So there's a ton of Shopkick deals that we're gonna be doing today. If you don't have Shopkick yet, I extremely recommend getting it downloaded. If you click the link below in the description box, you'll get $5 back when you do your first deal. So this can be an easy deal. You can grab one of the crescents for $1.98, submit to Shopkick for 250 kicks. I scanned it in store. None of them are scanning, so I'm not sure which one you're supposed to scan, but when you purchase it, you will get the kicks back. That's $1 back, so that would make this half off at just 98 cents. Now I'm gonna grab a juice. My boyfriend loves to have some type of juice in the house. He usually has it with dinner, which is kind of weird to me, but I'm gonna grab one of these Welch's right here. Then we're gonna submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back and submit to Shopkick. You'll get back 56 cents. That makes your final cost just $1.19. And there's different Shopkicks for the different flavors, so you can grab whichever one you want, or you can grab them all. I'm also gonna grab one of these Johnson's baby bars. They are $1.92. This would be a great item to add in a baby shower gift basket. If you haven't checked out that video yet, definitely do so. I will have it linked below. There's so many great deals that you can put together for that. Then we have a $2 coupon that we got in our 815 inserts. That'll make this free and actually give us 8 cents of overage towards our other deals. So this deal I'm gonna continue to stock up on. Highly recommend stocking up on some of these, especially with the coronavirus getting crazy again. Even in Florida, it's getting pretty bad. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these Lysol. They're only $2.08 at my store. And we have a printable coupon. Anyone can print these, and it says 30 count or higher. These are 35 count, so we're good on that. Submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back each. That makes them almost half off at just $1.08 per container. I'm also gonna grab this laundry sanitizer, the OxiClean. I'm gonna pick up 2 of them. They're $7.96 each. I'm gonna submit to Shopkick. I'm gonna get back 815 kicks, which is about $3.26. Then submit to Swagbucks. My link for Swagbucks is in the description box as well. I'm gonna get back 1,000 Swagbucks or $10 back when I buy 2. That makes my final cost for this about $1.66 a piece, which is an amazing deal. Here's another freebie and a small moneymaker with Swagbucks. So we are stocking up on cleaning products today. We're gonna grab 2 of these Kaboom with OxiClean for $3.88 each. Then we're gonna submit this to Swagbucks for 800 Swagbucks back when you buy 2 or $8 back on 2. That makes our final cost free and a 44-cent moneymaker. Here's an easy deal. These dessert toppings, you can grab the Oreo or the Chips Ahoy. They're $2.98 at my store. No coupons needed on this deal. You can submit to Ibotta for $1 back. That makes it just $1.98. Here's an easy back to school freebie on Ibotta. So I'm gonna grab one of the original Goldfish. They're my favorite. They're $1.62. Submit to Ibotta for $1.89 back. Makes it free and a 16-cent moneymaker. Here's another double rebate. So if you need extra rebates to complete your bonus, here's a good one. Have to grab one of these Friskies Little Soups for 94 cents. I scanned a bunch of the other individual ones and they don't work for the double rebate. I also scanned this one and it does not work either. All of them just pull up one of the 10-cent rebates. So this one will pull up both of these. That gives you 2 rebates towards your bonus and it'll make this just 74 cents. Another freebie you can grab, so you want to grab the smaller versions. These are in the checkout aisles for $1.98. There is a bigger version that's $3.18, so it's up to you which one you want to grab. I'm gonna grab one of these. I'm gonna use this 75-cent coupon we got in our 8.15 Smart Source. Then I'm gonna submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back and submit to Shopkick. 120 kicks is 48 cents back, which makes this exactly completely free. I'm also gonna grab 2 of these extra gum. They're $1 a piece. That'll bring us to $2. Then I'm gonna use this $1 off 2 printable coupon that is linked in the Printable Breakdown. Submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back each. That'll give you back $1, making them both completely free. Here's another big moneymaker. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these Click tampons from You by Kotex for $3.84 a piece. Then linked in the Printable Breakdown is a $4 off 2 coupon. I'm gonna then submit to Ibotta for $2 back each, and I'm gonna scan my receipt to fetch. I'm finally gonna finish this bonus for 5,000 points back when you spend $20 on Kotex. That makes this free and a $5.32 moneymaker for me. Now we're gonna get some moneymaker easy bundles on Shopkick, no coupons needed. Grab one of the Suave Men 2-in-1 for $2.78, and we are gonna also be grabbing a body wash. So I'm gonna combine it with this body wash, it's 97 cents, okay? Then we're gonna submit these 2 to Shopkick. You're gonna get back 1,275 kicks, then you're gonna scan them both in store as well. So total is $13.15 on the kicks. That gives you back $5.26, making these both completely free and a $1.50 moneymaker. Here's another Shopkick bundle anyone can do, and it's gonna be a moneymaker. So if you can find the small Suave Therapy for $1.67, it's a bigger moneymaker. As you can tell, my store is a little bit of a mess. They're rearranging everything. So I'm gonna grab a big one instead for $3.56. Then you're gonna grab a small Suave deodorant. This is 97 cents. It's not in the trial and travel section. This is just with the normal deodorants. Then you're gonna submit this to Shopkick. You'll get again 1,315 kicks, which is $5.26 back. That makes your final cost for these free and a 72-cent moneymaker. Okay, so we have everything ring in. We're at almost $80 worth of products. At self-checkout, I just take the coupons and scan it like a normal item. It'll show the negative if the coupon works. If there's any issues with it, it'll let you know to set it aside, and then you can just ask for a cashier to come help you. So I only have 5 coupons that I'm using today, 3 of which, see this one didn't work, 3 of which are printable, so anyone can do most of the deals I showed in this video. Okay, so we're gonna try this one more time. If not, I'm gonna see if the cashier can help me. Okay, it worked. Sometimes it just doesn't scan right. It's scanning this instead of this, so you may wanna like cover that up with your hand. Now I'm gonna pay, and then we'll go over our final cost in the truck. Okay, we're back in from Walmart. Everything went great. As you saw, if a coupon doesn't scan at the end, just try to scan that coupon one more time. Sometimes it scans that wrong barcode, and then that way you don't have to worry about a cashier coming over and helping you. So I wanna share with you guys my receipt just to prove of everything that I got. All the coupons worked like you saw, so there's nothing special here. My favorite deal, of course, is the Bud Light Seltzer. Drop a comment, let me know what your favorite deal is. Total I paid out of pocket was $66.53 plus taxes, okay? Then let's go over our finals after we submitted to the different rebate apps. Now, what I highly recommend, because sometimes rebates disappear, sometimes they expire. I'm literally in the Walmart parking lot right now. I literally check out, I come in, I turn on my car for the AC so I don't sweat my butt off, and I start submitting to all the different apps, and then I just kind of write it all down on my printable breakdown, okay? So that way I don't have to worry about a rebate disappearing by the time I get home or forgetting to submit it or something like that. So that is what I recommend doing. Just do it real quick in your car before you even leave the store. So submitted to Ibotta, got back $13.19. That made me complete my bonus. So I got back an additional $1. I had a small bonus this week, but at the end of the day, any bonus is free money. So definitely thankful for that. Then submitted to Shopkick, I'll be getting back about $15.86, which is awesome. Submitted to Swag Bucks, no issues with this one. I'm hoping that this is, moving forward, they're over their issues. Got back the $18 right away. You see the check mark, so perfect. That'll hit my account today. Then submitted to the Bibe app, BYBE. It's an app that gives you cash back on alcohol. So I got back $5 from them. Submitted to the Ibotta Rebate App, got back $5 from them. And submitted to Fetch Rewards, got back 5,100 points, which is $5.14 back. So all in all, our final cost today is $3.34, which is amazing. A lot of those products I use, I need. If not, I can of course resell them. I did do a part 2 for reselling your stockpile video the other week. So if you haven't checked that out yet, definitely do so. I'll have that linked below in the description box. I go over in that video how to calculate your profit, how to stay organized and figure out how much it's costing you and how much your profit is when you're reselling. So if you haven't checked that out, highly recommend it. I also have a part 1 that goes over where I list my ads, how I do it, what photos I take, the whole 9 yards. So if you're trying to turn your stockpile into a little side hustle, save yourself some space so it doesn't get crazy and out of hand, that's definitely a great little side hustle. You can get yourself a little bit of income and you're helping the people that you're reselling it to because you're reselling it for a discount as well. So win-win on that, highly recommend it. If you guys have any questions or anything, as always, drop a comment below. Don't forget to smash the like button on this video. If you haven't entered in my giveaway on Instagram yet, definitely head over there. My Instagram is BreeCouponQueen1. Just scroll through my posts. I do have a giveaway for my CVS couponing ebook. 3 winners are going to be chosen on Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'd love to have you participate and follow me on my Instagram so I can try to regrow it after my old Instagram got hacked. Just trying to kind of fresh start and regrow that one back up to at least over 10,000 would be amazing. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I'll see you next time.